Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. A lot of women obsess over having thick and long eyebrows, and we really think that it is for all the right reasons. Thick eyebrows add a lot of depth and dimension to your face and help frame your features beautifully. But years of overplucking, threading, or even waxing your brows stunts their growth and leaves empty patches in the place of full brows. If you are someone who naturally has thin eyebrows or are experiencing slow or stunted growth, and wondering how to grow thicker eyebrows naturally, then you've come to the right place. Below, we have curated a list of natural ways to improve eyebrow hair growth using natural home remedies that will transform your eyebrows in a matter of months. These natural remedies are completely safe, and the best part is that they're also quite quick in showing results. Find below a comprehensive list of some well-researched natural solutions to the commonly asked question, how to grow eyebrows, so please watch till the end. 1. Castor oil. This is perhaps a very common yet effective way to grow eyebrows naturally. Castor oil contains about 90% ricinoleic acid, and that is what helps promote hair growth. But castor oil may sometimes cause an allergic reaction, and therefore it would be wiser to patch test it before applying it to your eyebrows. How to use castor oil for eyebrows. Step 01. Take a few drops of castor oil onto your palms and rub it in between your fingers to warm it up. Step 02. Apply this oil onto your eyebrows and massage it in for a few minutes. Step 03. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wipe it clean using a makeup remover before washing it off with water. 2. Coconut oil. Another ingredient that definitely tops the list of how to get thicker eyebrows has to be coconut oil. This oil is brimming with essential nutrients, vitamins, and fatty acids, all of which stimulate dormant hair follicles and promote faster hair growth. Regularly massaging the area around your eyebrows with coconut oil will moisturize and hydrate the area and prevent further damage to the delicate brow hair. How to use coconut oil for eyebrows. Step 01. Dip a cotton swab in pure organic coconut oil and apply it all over your eyebrows and in the surrounding area. Step 02. Massage it onto your eyebrows and leave it on overnight. Step 03. In the morning, wash it off with cold water and a bar of really gentle soap. How to get thicker eyebrows. 1. Vaseline. In order for your hair to grow, it needs to be in an environment that promotes hair growth. This means your skin needs to be well hydrated and nourished. Known to create a sealing barrier, this jelly also locks in moisture to help speed up your skin's natural recovery process. In fact, rumor has it that Marilyn Monroe used to employ Vaseline as her skin savior and ended up with quite long facial hair, proof that it helps hair grow. Simply clean and dry the area and apply Vaseline over your brows 3 to 4 times a day. 2. Oil. The oil promotes hair growth much like Vaseline, by creating a barrier that locks in moisture. But it also increases circulation while stimulating cellular metabolism. This, in turn, promotes hair growth. Any oil can be used, so try olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, even castor oil. Simply apply to your brows before you go to bed and let it go to work. Thanks for watching. If you find something useful in this video, please like, share and subscribe.